What is micellar water and why is it so expensive? This is micellar water. Micellar water is essentially just soap very diluted in water. Micelles are particles that trap oil and dirt, and that's how soaps work. So how does this industry justify selling you very diluted soap water? Well, it's made in France.
I have so many issues with this video. Let's start. First is the concept of generalization. Just because two ingredients fall under the same family doesn't mean that those two ingredients are the same. Surfactant is a huge family of ingredients that contain a lot of molecules with different properties and unique abilities. That doesn't mean one family members equals to another just because they are under the same category of family surfactants. I will give you two examples. Example number one is from drugs and antibiotic. We have a family called beta-lactam of antibiotics. Under this family, there are a lot of antibiotics. Out of those huge number of antibiotics, there is penicillin and there's oxycillin. Just because they are both a beta-lactam antibiotic, that doesn't mean that penicillin equals oxycillin. Another more simple example is me asking you, do you have a car? And you respond yes. And I ask you, can you show me this car? And you show me this. Technically, you didn't lie, you have a car, but in reality, this car doesn't equal to a real car like this. Same concepts fall for surfactants. Lastly, using those kind of hashtags like skin conspiracy or skin industry or skin scam is not going to give a good image if the purpose of the video is education.